This is how you add your credit card to Apple Wallet. Find the Wallet app. Mine's right here on the screen. If you don't find it or you don't see it or don't know where it is, tap on the little search bar at the bottom, start typing Wallet, you'll find it there. You can also go through the settings. If for whatever reason it doesn't turn up in the search, which it should, but if it doesn't, scroll down in the settings until you get down to Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on that. And in all these places, you'll be able to tap on Add Card. So you can tap on Add Card here, or you can open Wallet, tap on the plus icon, and then debit or credit card, continue. On this screen, you can position the card on the screen. It says you position your debit or credit card in the frame to scan it. So you got to put it up here, put it behind your phone, put it inside this little frame here, and then it'll enter all the details for you, unless there's some on the back, like the VCC number, whatever that number is, a 3-digit number. You have to enter that manually. But if that scanning doesn't work, you got to enter the whole thing manually. Just tap on Enter Card Details manually, enter your name, enter a card number. This one is completely fake. Well, you can enter a lot of digits. What kind of credit card has this many numbers? Must be a fancy one I don't know about. Okay, so I got my 300-digit credit card there. It says this card is not eligible for Apple Pay because it's clearly a fake card. So you put your real card number in there, tap on Continue, then you'll add the expiration date and that VCC number, or whatever it is, and then you'll have your card added to your Apple Pay account. And then, once it's in there and verified, it'll show up here in the list of your cards. And you can also, when you're at a cash register, just double tap on the action button. And it's going to show your card. It's going to ask for your Face ID, and then you can use it to pay at the register. You can also use your passcode instead of a Face ID if you can't do Face ID at that moment for whatever reason, or if you don't have that turned on your phone. That's how easy it is to add a credit card to your wallet on Apple iPhone. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash on your phone. I know it sounds weird, but you should do it, because if you've never heard of it, you've probably never done it. So check out this video, empty the trash on your phone. I'll see you there.